What's up, guys? We're back with another video on how to install a light to your surron. I've already started a bit here, but the tool you're going to need is an Allen key. If you need to install the light switch itself here, it depends on what type of screw it is. You might need a Phillips or an Allen key. But what I'm doing here is I'm taking off the two screws right here and here and making sure when I take off the little board here, you want to have this lifted up a bit. So I'm just making sure it's not fully closed. I'll pick that up, but see how it doesn't want to come out? As soon as I picked up that a bit, it comes out like a dime. So you can just let that rest there. Find your cord. So mine, this guy right here. So you're gonna try and find this little casing here. Make sure you grab the one that has not the one with the yellow, and you want to find the one that this is a solid green wire. 1 second. What you're gonna do, you're gonna pull these guys out. See, I've already installed it, but you want to disconnect that quick connect. And both. And then you want to connect your one end that goes to the battery. Then the other end of the connector you want to connect to the light. And then after you're done that, just stuff it back into the little pouch here. Oh, my neck hurts. Sometimes it can be a little tough trying to figure out where to fit it in. And stuff it back in there. Make sure everything's nice and neat. I'm bringing these guys. Oh. 1 second. Okay. So, just make sure everything is neatly organized, not wrecking anything. It is a bit tough trying to fit it in, but as soon as you get it on there, make sure you stay lined up with those holes there. Just put it back on.